Ready to embark on the trip of a lifetime? Imagine stepping off the plane, passport in hand, ready to explore a new country. But wait, before the excitement comes the preparation. Whether it's your first travel abroad or you're already a seasoned traveler, we're diving deep into a 90-day game plan that'll take you from overwhelmed to totally prepared. Stay tuned for a fun travel fact later that might surprise you. Welcome to 90 Days Better, the channel that covers self-improvement, productivity, and maximizing every 90-day journey. Today's video is all about international travel. We'll break down everything from financial planning and flight deals to finding the best destinations and preparing for your arrival in a foreign country. Stick around for a fascinating fact about jet lag that may end up helping immensely. Let's begin. One of the biggest challenges with international travel is the sheer amount of preparation. In fact, a survey by Travel Agent Central found that nearly 70% of travelers feel stressed about the details involved in planning a trip. Between booking flights, finding accommodations, budgeting, and making sure documentation is in order, the process can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, by breaking it down over 90 days, you'll be prepared, stress-free, and ready to go. Let's dive into the week-by-week breakdown, starting with the first key steps. In your first week, focus on two critical aspects: budgeting and choosing your destination. Start by deciding on a rough travel budget. Include flights, accommodation, food, activities, and a safety net for emergencies. Using apps like Mint or YNAB can help track your budget. Once you've budgeted, begin researching destinations. Some of the most popular cost-effective travel spots include Thailand, Portugal, and Mexico. Use resources like Nomad List or Kayak Explore to find countries that match your budget. Begin searching for flights and look into booking early to take advantage of the best deals. This is the time to use those points on your credit card you've been saving. By the end of week 1, you should have your top 3 destinations shortlisted and a solid idea of how much you need to save. Over the next few weeks, dive deeper into your destination research. Compare flight prices on platforms like Going, Skyscanner, or Google Flights. Pay attention to trends in flight pricing and consider setting alerts to catch price drops. Also, start researching accommodation. Depending on your travel style, you might look at Airbnbs, hostels, or hotels. Websites like Booking.com and Hostel World offer excellent options for a range of budgets. Don't forget to research the neighborhood. Make sure it's safe, accessible, and near key sites or public transport. At the end of week 4, aim to have your flight booked and a short list of accommodations ready for your stay. Once flights are booked, it's time to sort out your paperwork. The biggest must-have is a valid passport, which typically takes 4 to 6 weeks for processing, so if yours is expired, get on it now. Research whether you'll need a visa for your destination. Many countries allow for an eVisa or visa on arrival, while others require you to apply ahead of time. Don't forget to check health precautions for your destination, as some countries may require specific vaccinations. The CDC Travel Health website is a great resource to see which vaccines or medications you'll need. If you have any chronic conditions, ensure you have enough medication for the duration of your trip. Lastly, get travel insurance. This will save you from unexpected medical bills or cancellations. Now that you've sorted your logistics, dive into accommodation bookings. Whether it's a beachfront villa or a cozy hostel, make sure to reserve your spot early. For a more immersive experience, consider staying with locals through platforms like Couchsurfing or Airbnb Experiences, where you can book unique stays hosted by locals. Simultaneously, begin planning your itinerary. Look into must-see sites, day trips, and cultural experiences. Platforms like TripAdvisor and Atlas Obscura can provide excellent suggestions. Keep a healthy balance between planned activities and free time to explore on your own. You don't want to be tied down to a rigid schedule every day. With travel day fast approaching, it's time to start packing. A great strategy is to make a list of essentials first, including appropriate clothing for the climate, travel documents, and travel-sized toiletries. Keep your luggage light. You'll thank yourself after navigating through foreign airports and streets. Don't forget a universal adapter for your electronics. This is also the perfect time to start learning some basics of the local language. Apps like Duolingo or HelloTalk can help with this. Learn essential phrases like how to ask for directions, order food, and basic greetings. Even a small effort to learn the language can go a long way in enhancing your travel experience. As you near departure day, confirm all of your bookings, flights, accommodation, and any tours or experiences you've reserved. Double-check your documents and store digital copies on your phone or a secure cloud service. Create a packing list and make sure you're within your luggage weight limit. Here's a pro tip. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before your flight to match the time zone of your destination. Studies show this helps reduce jet lag significantly. Also, download offline maps of your destination on Google Maps and some entertainment for your flight. Congratulations, you've made it to your destination. Upon arrival, take a deep breath and enjoy the excitement of being in a new country. Your first few days are for acclimating. Don't try to pack in too much right away. Explore your surroundings, grab some local food, and settle in. If you're staying long-term, register at your country's embassy. This ensures you're covered in case of an emergency. Familiarize yourself with local public transportation or consider renting a bike or car for the duration of your trip. Don't forget to stay mindful and present during your travels. This is your moment to soak in the experience. Here's a fun and obscure travel-related fact. Did you know that when traveling internationally, the flight direction, east or west, can affect how your body adjusts to jet lag? Studies show that flying east tends to cause more severe jet lag than flying west. This is because it's easier for your body to extend its day, as when flying west, than to shorten it, as when flying east. So if you're heading on a long-haul flight, going westward might make the adjustment a little smoother. In 90 days, you've gone from planning and packing to setting foot in a new country, completely prepared for your adventure. The process may seem daunting at first, but with careful planning, it's achievable and incredibly rewarding. You've mastered budgeting, booked flights and accommodations, and even picked up some language skills along the way. Now the world is at your fingertips. If this guide helped you prepare for your international trip, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more high-quality content. From health and wellness to fitness and finance, 90 Days Better covers a wide range of transformative habits for self-improvement and personal growth. Chances are you could be just one video away from changing your life for the better. Check the links in the description for tools and resources that can help you on your journey. And until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.